Lost letters. Tom is a postman. He is 55 years old. Tom lives in a small town. Every morning he wakes up at 6 o'clock. He puts on his blue uniform and his old black shoes. Tom drinks tea and eats bread with butter. Then he takes his big brown bag and goes outside. Tom loves his job. He likes to bring letters to people. He walks from house to house. People smile when they see Tom. "Good morning, Tom," they say. "Good morning," says Tom, smiling back. Tom knows everyone in town. He knows Mr. Brown, the baker. He knows Mrs. Green, the teacher. He knows little Ben and his sister Lisa. Tom likes to see them every day. But Tom has a secret. Every day after he finishes work, one letter is always left in his bag. Tom never gives this letter to anyone. It is a very old letter. It is yellow because it is so old. Tom always puts it back in his bag. One day, little Lisa sees Tom putting the letter back in his bag. "Tom," Lisa asks, "why do you never give this letter to anyone?" Tom smiles sadly. "This letter is very old," he says. "It is not important." "But letters are important," says Lisa. Tom shakes his head. "No, Lisa, not this one," he says quietly. Lisa thinks Tom looks sad. She wonders about the letter. Every day after that, Lisa looks at Tom. She sees the old letter in his bag. Lisa wants to know more about this letter. One morning, Lisa waits for Tom near the park. "Good morning, Tom," she says. "Good morning, Lisa," Tom says. Lisa looks at the bag. "Do you still have the old letter?" Lisa asks. Tom says nothing at first. Then he says, "Yes, I do." Lisa asks softly, "Who wrote the letter, Tom?" Tom looks away. "A very special person," Tom says. His voice is sad. Lisa does not ask more questions. Days go by. Lisa sees that Tom always looks sad when he sees the old letter. One morning, Lisa tells her mother, "Mom, Tom always has a very old letter, but he never gives it to anyone, and Tom looks very sad. Why?" Her mother thinks for a moment. "Maybe Tom lost someone he loves," says Lisa's mother. Lisa thinks about this all day. She wants to help Tom. But how? The next morning, Lisa waits for Tom again. Tom smiles when he sees her. "You wait here every day," Tom says kindly. "Why?" Lisa says, "Because I want to help you." Tom is surprised. "Help me? But how?" he asks. I think the old letter makes you sad, Lisa says. Tom looks at the ground. He does not speak for a long time. Then he says softly, "Yes, Lisa, the letter is from someone I loved very much." "Who?" asks Lisa. Tom takes a deep breath. He looks at the sky. His eyes are wet. "My wife," Tom says quietly. "She wrote this letter long ago, but I never opened it." "Why not?" Lisa asks. Tom says, "Because she died. She died before I could read it." Lisa feels sad. She says, "Maybe you should read the letter now, Tom. Maybe it will help you feel better." Tom shakes his head. "I am afraid, Lisa." "Afraid? Why?" Lisa asks. Tom says softly, "Because maybe she wrote goodbye, and I do not want to say goodbye." Lisa thinks about this. "Maybe she wrote something good," Lisa says. "Maybe she wanted you to be happy." Tom looks at Lisa. Her eyes are kind. "Maybe," he says quietly. Tom thinks all day about Lisa's words. He wonders about the old letter. In the evening, he sits in his kitchen. He takes the letter from his bag. His hands shake. He looks at the old letter for a long time. "Should I open it?" Tom asks himself. Slowly, Tom opens the letter. He sees his wife's handwriting. He begins to read. "Dear Tom, you are my best friend. You make me smile every day. When you read this letter, remember, I am always with you. Always. Please smile for me every day. I love you forever. Yours, Anna." Tom cries. But now he smiles too. His heart feels warm again. He puts the letter near his heart. The next morning, Tom goes to work. Lisa waits for him again. "Good morning, Lisa," Tom says happily. Lisa is surprised. Tom looks different. He smiles more. "Did you read the letter, Tom?" Lisa asks. "Yes," says Tom. "You were right, Lisa. It helped me very much." Lisa smiles. She feels happy for Tom. Now, every day, Tom smiles again. He still has the letter, but now he is not sad. He knows Anna is always with him. People see Tom smiling. They say, "Tom, you look happy today." Tom answers, "Yes, because I have a good friend, and she taught me something important." "What did she teach you?" they ask. Tom smiles and says, "She taught me that lost letters are never really lost, and love never says goodbye." Tom walks on, smiling. His big brown bag is lighter now. His heart feels good. And Lisa, watching Tom, smiles too. Because she knows that sometimes letters can wait for a long time. But love waits forever.